Welcome to Smart Simplified. Make money online 2023 copy-paste to earn $950 easily. $500, $700, $350. This is the simplest and fastest way to do it. This article will show you how to make money online. Brand new website we have never used. All you need to do before is copy and paste. Absolutely no text to create a new affiliate. Links without CPA links, and links that don't sell. Any type of product this website sells is paying people around the world in India, Philippines, Bangladesh, Canada, USA and the UK. All other countries, but us. Learn how to make money online. Subscribe to the newsletter to get the simplest method. This channel, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified whenever you need it. Upload a new video about how to make money online. You will be kept up to date and can access the latest information. Start making things happen, please. Give this video a thumbs up and let us know if you have any questions. If you have any questions, concerns or suggestions, please let us know. Don't be afraid to voice your opinion about the video. You can also leave a comment below. Let's go back to the video. Okay, this is the real website. This is what you'll need to do in order to sign up. The website will pay you, and you will receive coins in return. Gift cards or cash, but they will give it to you. Real cash that you can spend. You can do whatever you like now. This website will help you make money. You will need to employ some strategies that I'll describe. This video will show you how to do it because you can simply go directly to the website. If you attempt to do it yourself, it will be difficult. It will take you a lot more time. Going to take a lot of effort. You will need to have a lot of experience and skills. Let me show you how I can help you. All of these for free. This guide will walk you through each step. Do it now. This website is called clearvoice.com and similar. This website is being visited by over hundreds of thousands of people. Every single month, that's what it means. There's plenty of money to make. This website is my explanation. How and exactly what to do. You will need a website to accomplish this. Make a decent amount of money right now. Clearvoice.com allows you to communicate with your audience. Entrepreneurs and business owners are welcome to have written articles created for you. They will pay every day. You and I are both freelancers. There are many articles they can use and I am happy to help. I'll show you how to get them. Articles done completely free of charge. These PLR websites and any other website are available. I will show you how to do it. Unique strategy to get those. Articles on how to get new and exciting. You can find articles at every stage of the process. For your efforts, you could be paid hundreds of dollars. Copy and paste each article you find. You can earn hundreds of dollars if you are a good candidate. You can do it again and again for dollars. You can use it for unlimited times. As you can see, there are many people regularly visiting this site on monthly basis. You only need to have a few sales to make hundreds, if not thousands. Every day, thousands of dollars are spent. It's a very powerful strategy. Pay close attention to every detail, so that you can find out exactly what to do. This is the first thing you'll do. All you have to do is to get over to clearvoice.com, then hover your mouse right here, where it says Talent Network. You will be able to see the faces of these people. These articles are being written by authors. You can advertise in the following categories. Marketing, finance, software. You can also shop for tech products at tech retail. All the categories are available. You can find many niches. Think of this website as a guideline, but think about what you can do with it. First, you'll need to determine what you will require. Click on the link to join the Talent Network. Here's how to get started. You can start by entering your full name in the two boxes below. Enter your first name. Click here to get started. Sign up using your Google Twitter account. Register for an account, or sign up manually. Sign up for a brand to receive your email. New account is absolutely free. Clearvoice.com. This is how it will look. Look like this is your account. You will be able to see your name, and this Is your profile photo something you can use? You can change your profile picture by following this course. Put your own and you can then add to it. Background image that you can make more. Your social accounts will have more. The more you do, the greater your chances of more money. Make sure you guys enjoy this video. First, I'd like to share a few. You can do many things first. You can set your own rates and decide what you want. Want to be paid? Get paid $100 per article, $200 or $300. This article explains how you can determine your own rates. You will be paid quickly, which is great. You won't have to wait weeks or even months to be paid. Clearvoice.com freelancers get paid via PayPal after assignment approval. You can be confident you'll get paid on time. Payments or whatever they are called are reliable. You'll be able to see the faces of other people as you scroll down. Doing the exact same thing, so let me show you an example. This person's CV is available so that you can see exactly what they have accomplished. They are doing what they can and how they are making it happen. Money, so if they open up their profile, all of them will be available for you to view. This person may be interested in other articles. This person wrote hundreds of letters. Each one of these costs thousands of dollars. Articles you can have anything about fashion. All about beauty, parenting and holidays. These simple articles can be profiled. Making money every day is my goal, and we'll show you exactly what you can do. The same thing happens, so this is only proof that other people also make money. People from all walks of the globe can access this website. The world is your playground, so I want to take you back. You can start by opening an account. Making money on the right side. My account is not complete yet. It must be completed to 100 to ensure that I can complete it. To actually make money, and to do it effectively. My CV needs to be improved. Click here to add content. The bottom right corner, so that I can begin. How do I add these articles? Get those articles done the right way. You can actually have those articles written absolutely free, no prior writing required skills or whatever. Here's exactly. Follow each step carefully. Follow each step carefully. First, you'll need to decide what your goals are. Go to google.com to see the next step. Number 1 is to get those articles. Do it now for nothing. Think about the article you would like to write. Which category do you want to be? Anything can be: health, relationships, business, finance, weight loss, fitness, fishing and gaming. Whatever niche you are looking for, niche it done. Clear voice, you can write articles. Learn more about this category and how it relates to that niche. So let's just say that I'm going to be writing an essay about finance. I can just search for it. Google has different keywords related to a specific topic that could, for example, be finance tips. We have all the information you need. Get recommendations right now. I have thousands of articles. Google has them all, so you can find them. Through all these articles, you can choose which one you like best. You will always find something new and exciting. Google articles for article search. These are the most recent articles from this year only, and it's always going to refresh, like almost every day will be a new day. These articles cover a variety of topics. These niches are just a few of the many. You will not be able to select categories simply. Copy and paste article from Google, because you will clearly get a copyright claim. This can become a major problem rather than a minor one. Find an article you like again. This is a great idea that you should consider. As an example, you could obviously go even further. To the second or third page Google to find the article you are looking for. Once you have found an article that you like, you can copy at least one portion of it. You will be able to copy the first part and second part. Let me count 3, and so on. Copy the first section and insert an external source. Spinbot.com is a platform absolutely free online tool. Rewrite the articles in your words will do the trick. You are completely free and without obligation. You can even sign up for it. Spinbot.com. Paste the article into this. Now I can scroll a bit more by clicking on the box. Fill out the CAPTCHA and click go right. Wait a few seconds. Now the Spinbot tool can rewrite it for me, in my own words, so that I can use it. It becomes my article by linking to other sites. Your own article, and now that you're done it rewritten for you. Step 3 is next. Open Google Docs and go to docs.google.com and create a new document. Whichever is blank. Go back to Spinbot, we'll copy the rewritten part. By Spinbot copy it into Google Docs, then you can change other parts. The article you are looking for Google is now going to tip. Number 1. I can copy this back to Spinbot. You can do the exact same thing again, continue this process until you have completed the entire article rewritten by Spinbot.com. Copy this entire article and paste it in Google Docs. Once you're done, you'll have a complete article rewritten by Spinbot. Step number 3. Click on File Right. Here you can download it and save it as a download PDF document. This information can be saved to your computer. You can use a rewritten article because you are unique, then go. Clearvoice.com opens up your account. Click on Add Content to update your profile. You can upload your PDF file right here. Click on the Upload button to go here. Double the size of the article you have on your computer. Click on it. Wait for it to load and then click here. It is, and here's the entire article. It is unique because Spinbot has rewritten the article. Now you can choose the category in which your article has been placed. This article is about finance. Select business finance and personally fill out the following boxes with finance. Just hit update to get more. The more articles you buy, the more you'll make. Name your article, but don't forget to include it in the title. Give it a precise title to make it more memorable. The more you fill in, the more you'll add your profile and more articles. You will make more money. All the other entrepreneurs should follow their lead. Business owners who are looking for these qualities will be successful. Articles can view your CV and they can hire you and pay you hundreds in dollars. All you need to do is create new articles. Repeat the steps from above. Video. Go to Google for your research. Copy and paste the articles you like. Get them rewritten with Spinbot. These can be copied and pasted into Google. It's so simple, it's actually quite simple. It is very simple and you can make it a reality. You can make a decent amount of site revenue. So, I hope that you found some value in this article. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment and share.